60 70 I think dishwasher washing machine. What about the chimney hole? 85 gas. What about the oven cabinet? Next walk-in up. I want also the microwave cabinet. So what loft fully almost starting.